It is the 10th of August 2026 and welcome to today's Spanish A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about executions in Iran. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, geocientíficos de Alemania estudian la erupción de Toba. German geoscientists study the Toba eruption. Next, Andy Burnham hará un viaje por el Reino Unido. Andy Burnham will make a trip through the United Kingdom. And el jefe de Regal apoya la fusión de Paramount y Warner Bros. The boss of Regal supports the merger of Paramount and Warner Bros. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Let us decode it word by word. Irán. Is Irán. Ejecuta means executes. En público means in public. A 3 manifestantes means 3 protesters. The headline uses the verb before the rest of the sentence, which is normal in Spanish news headlines. El régimen ejecuta a 3 hombres en Isfahán. The regime executes 3 men in Isfahan. Ejecuta. The verb driving today's headline comes from ejecutar, to execute. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Tres hombres van al hospital. 3 men go to the hospital. Hospital. Hospital belongs to the same family as hospitalizar. And hospitalización. More examples in the lesson sheet. Dos hombres son ahorcados el jueves. 2 men are hanged on Thursday. Today's number is 2. Say it with me. 2. Un hombre cae pero luego va al hospital. 1 man falls, but then he goes to the hospital. Pero. But joins 2 ideas and shows a contrast. Los manifestantes están en la ciudad. The protesters are in the city. Today's word is manifestantes. Say it with me. Manifestantes. The sounds are clear and even, with each syllable spoken plainly. Now for the pattern of the day. Yo ejecuto. Tú ejecutas. Él ejecuta. Nosotros ejecutamos. Vosotros ejecutáis. Ellos ejecutan. The headline uses the él form ejecuta. One last time. Read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What does the regime do? Is it A. Ejecuta a 3 hombres. Escucha a la gente. Or C. Apoya la fusión. Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done! That is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox, so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.